still got one in that day, it's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say it's...
Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Donnn C here today with that boy Kulve.
What it do, man? What it do?
And today, y'all, we're gonna be battling it out, turn for turn, screw for screw, bolt for bolt, and door for door, y'all, with a single wrench. Today, y'all, I challenge TJ to see who could take the doors off the fastest, because in my last video, I said it took like 5 minutes, but I don't think it took like 5 minutes, y'all. I probably did it quicker.
What? I don't know what you talking about, 5 minutes.
But we're gonna see how long it takes today. And TJ feel like he can do it faster than me, y'all, but today is gonna be the test. So let's get right into that, man. So basically today, we're just gonna be using the Jeep kit. And if you got a Jeep, you know how tedious it is and how annoying it is to take stuff out with this little wrench. Like, shit, my damn hand bigger than it. Y'all see that? It's tiny. But it's a challenge today, man. So I think I got a couple tricks up my sleeves to get over on TJ. So y'all, let's see what he got today. See what I got today. So we flipped the coin. TJ lost, so he gonna go first. Over here on the side, we got little areas close to the Jeep where we can sit the doors at, y'all, because you know we can't mess up them wraps. And we agreed to loser has to put the doors back on both Jeeps. So I'm damn sure not gonna lose, y'all. By the way, it is 96. Hold on, let me show y'all. It is, that's the map, my bad. It is 96 degrees out today.
It's so damn hot.
Feels like 106. You see that? Can y'all see that? Feels like 106, y'all. So we picked the best day to do this. It's pretty stupid, but let's get into it, man. You ready?
It's just ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, I'm saying, any last words before you start?
It's hot as fuck.
It's hot as fuck. The timer gonna start whenever you grab the tool, so it's on you. All right, timer has started, y'all. Shit moving quick. Moving quick. He moving kind of slow, y'all.
Oh yeah, I forgot why. This shit's such a pain in the ass to be loose.
Okay, somebody got the Butterfinger today. You nervous, my boy? I'll be nervous too if I gotta put back on 8 doors. In 96 degree weather. What's your strategy today though? To getting this done?
The outside first.
Outside first? Okay. I might have to take that advice. Giving me the sauce right now. He moving though, y'all see it's a minute and a half to pass by. He 2 screws out of there. That's the first though down. No challenge, y'all. 3 minutes in. But then again, I don't know though, y'all. That's tough. He is moving right now. Wish me luck. I'm not trying to put back on 8 doors. That minute, well, I mean that one video I posted y'all with the, when I said 5 minutes. It probably could have took 5 minutes with 2 people though, for real. Yeah. With 2 people, probably so. But you see the time was almost at, you know. The inside pretty quick though. He moving. Steady throwing his screws everywhere. I hope we don't lose now. See, I told you. So y'all right here, you see TJ didn't have a screw right there, so I gotta take one of mine out or he gonna blow me out the water. Cause that one screw will make a huge difference. That one screw will make a huge difference. That just saved him about what? 40 seconds right there. 40. Okay, he got all screws out the outside. We're going on the inside. Uh-oh, y'all. We're gonna see who the real G-Pad is right here. He getting stuck.
Just lift up right here.
Y'all, TJ fucking up right now, man. You can tell he's not a real G-Pad. He's exposing himself right now, y'all. He forgot to switch the tips and everything. This is looking real good for your boy Donnn C, man. And to sit back and relax and let him put my doors back on. Okay, he back in action now, y'all. Let's see. lost it. It's right here. He can't find it, y'all. What's the part? What happened?
I need the other piece. Oh. And then I'm about to take these doors off. There's a smell.
Banging that wrap up.
This? I don't remember taking this off. Yep. And I lost because I don't remember what to do here in the back seat. I thought it was the same as the front seat.
It's that piece.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Since fucking when?
Almost 12 minutes in, y'all. TJ had to hit up the source real quick. YouTube, the goats.
And then what the fuck did the damn little tour go on?
Lord, this boy here. And you lost. And the other piece is right here.
Where?
Right there. Right there. He still can't find it, y'all. Man, look at your phone, man.
Oh.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta love this guy, y'all. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel, bro. Come on, man. This is what I deal with every day, y'all. Gotta love this guy. 13 minutes in, y'all. I'm chilling in his back of his Jeep. It's hot. I'm getting a little damp. But I ain't doing nothing but warming up. I ain't doing nothing but warming up, y'all. You feel me?
Wow. Well,
18 minutes in, y'all. He finally got it.
I swear I put the shit in the door. In the front door.
Alright, y'all. TJ got the second door off. He lost some shit again. We got 23 seconds. 24 minutes in, y'all. This ain't looking too good. How did you lose it, bro, that quick? Is it in your pocket, bro?
No, it's not in my pocket.
Y'all, TJ done lost his shit again. I helped him find it once.
Shit, oh, right here, look.
Oh my gosh.
Shit done fell out the door.
We might well call this a victory right now, y'all. But let me stop talking shit for the same shit happened to me.
Oh.
Bro, this nigga trying to pull the door, y'all. He didn't even disconnect it.
Okay. Oh my god, that damn fucking other cord.
Oh my gosh. Three doors off, y'all. Last one underway now, y'all. Right now it's been 10 minutes per door for him. So, fourth door, and he is done. 30 minutes and 15 seconds, man. What you got to say?
It really would have been 15 minutes if I didn't lose my tools and I have aftermarket parts that I've never taken off before.
Sound like a bunch of excuses, my boy. 30 minutes and 15 seconds flight. Y'all see it, y'all. So
I really think that would be 15 minutes, so the real time he got is 15 minutes. So.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
man, 15 minutes my ass. There's no guarantee you would got 15 minutes. I don't think you would have got 15 minutes. Let me go ahead and pull up in the hot spot, y'all.
Alright, as soon as you touch the toolkit, man, as soon as you touch the toolkit, it's starting that timer.
Ready? Start it. See, y'all, TJ won't put no pep in his stuff, y'all. Gotta go quick. Oh, shit. I can't see it.
Yeah.
Ah. No, I'm saying I couldn't see it.
He said this one was already off.
This cat was already. This cat was already on. Whoever be riding my back seat, y'all be getting disrespectful back here. As you can see, y'all, I wasn't doing no fucking around with TJ ass. I got in and went straight to work, y'all, so it wasn't much talking from me, y'all. Watch me get it in. Come on, man. There we go. Actually, I can go rotate this one on. Wait, hold on.
And there goes one.
5 minutes. I feel like the dog gonna fall. Jesus.
I thought the same thing. Boy. There goes two.
That bad boy was heavy right there, boy.
Yeah, them front doors is heavy because of that damn that mirror.
Shit, that shit heavy. Ouch. Ouch. That shit hurt my foot too. Fuck.
7 minutes, halfway there. He can move fast enough. He should be able to beat my time. About a minute.
About a minute, my ass. I'm locked in, y'all. My bad, I ain't talking, y'all. Easy work, y'all. Easy. Stop that timer, my boy.
$12 minutes and 8 seconds.
Yes, sir. Ski.
You can see
Yeah.
how one of us didn't have to worry about aftermarket parts and not seeing them before.
Bullshit.
So
It's all a bunch of bullshit, y'all. This is aftermarket. This is aftermarket. All this shit aftermarket. TJ coming up with excuses, man. Easy work today, bro. All right, y'all. Y'all see I worked up a little sweat, man. That boy Kulve lost today.
he didn't do about 15 minutes and 15 seconds. I don't know what
12 minutes, y'all. 12 minutes, y'all seen that. Next time we might have to see what that top work like, but y'all, I can't do that by myself, so we might have to get a partner for that one.
Yeah, that one a little.
Yeah, that's a different story, y'all. But as you can see, 4 does off. That's gonna be for him. But I gave him the luxury of having a drill, y'all. So I'm gonna let him get to work, man. Appreciate it for watching today. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe for me and your boy Kulve, man. For sure.
We out.
We out here, y'all. Stay tuned, man.